What's up, YouTube? So, I just picked this up. I was looking at the Works one, and I don't know, this popped up. So I just got it. It's $100, man. Got your high, low. Comes with, you know, you throw your water in there in your bucket. We'll see how it's working. I just wanted to try it out. This is nice, you know, when you fill up a bucket of water, there ain't no water on the roof. Just takes a couple seconds to get the water to flow. Come through your braided hoses. Low, high. There it comes. I see water coming. So we're gonna give it. We don't want to do it. I don't know. I just wanted to try it. This ain't too bad. I got a different tip for it too. Let's see. I just wanted to see how this one would work. Got this one. This ain't bad. I mean, you're in a pinch or something. Sometimes. So, you can see the pressure coming off of it. You guys can see, you can see how it's working. This is on high. You can see it. I mean, it's working. See how black it was? I'm not bending any fins. I'm kind of liking it. I don't know what the PSI rating of it is. It's not too bad, man. And I didn't fill this bucket up completely. That's another thing. I gotta add a weight to that. Keep it down in there. If it starts to suck up the air, it's not gonna. The switch is the only thing I'm not liking. The color of the water, I don't know how well you can see it. I don't know how long. I wanted to test to see how long it's going. You can see how dirty the water's coming off of it. So, if I remember, that just unplugged. Let's see what this tip does. I was trying to play with it last night. That's not too bad. You see that tip? It's a little smaller. You can get into better places. I like this one better. I'm liking it. $100, guys. That ain't too shabby. Pretty good. These coils in the package unit too. I'm just using straight water. No. You see the color of the water? some hot water, boy. Felt hot. Not too shabby, guys. You see, I didn't use, I only had a filter about here. This would actually work pretty good on the evap coils and stuff like that on these package units and stuff. So I don't know. I liked it. It doesn't seem too shabby. The hose is braided. I'm just messing around. I don't know, guys. This ain't bad. Let's see. I used 1 bar of the battery. That's not too bad. I'll mess around with it. Alright, people. See ya.